What's up, you guys? So today I will be installing a 13 by 4 highlighted bob wig. I'm gonna have some edge control on my edges, so I'll just spray some water to loosen that up and comb it back so all my hair can be out of the way. And I just put my braids in the back up into, just like a crisscross type of situation. Get the hair out the way, and I apply my wig cap just to, smooth it down because I do have a lot of hair. This is the wig. I'm just brushing out all the plucked hair. If you don't got this much hair when you done plucking, then you ain't did it right. So then I just take my lace tint spray, and spray it all on the lace. Some people spray it on the ball cap too, but this is how we're looking. And right here, I'm just showing you guys how it looks. I'm not used to this color or a bob, so I had to look at myself for a while. And yes, I'm talking through the whole video because they be playing with the copyrights. But yeah, I'm just gonna hot comb and wax stick the hair out the way. So when I put the glue down and do all that cutting and other stuff, that the hair won't be in the way. Now I'm just cutting off my ear tabs, placing it behind my ear. And most times I hate like doing my ear tabs because they just come up all the time. So I might cut my ear tabs last on my next install. But here I'm just tracing my hairline. I'm going around my sideburns. And then you're going to smooth it out with a rat tail comb or a popsicle stick or whatever you have. You want to blow dry that until it's clear. I didn't wait till it's clear because I'm just impatient like that, but I should have waited till the glue was clear to place it down. You just want to apply pressure and go section by section. I have a lot of hair in the back, so the wig was I had to force it forward a little bit. But yeah, you just place your lace down, putting my wax stick on there just to get the hairs out the way one more time so it won't get stuck in the glue. I'm gonna place my melting band on for a little while and put some crimps in my hair. I could have did like the bone straight look, but I just wanted to do something different. So when I do crimps, I always spray with a holding spray. I use Got to Be, and yeah, this crimper was huge. So I might do like a black bust down with some crimps because I think that'll be given. Again, when I crimped the hair, the color like really popped. So I was loving it at this point. I was like, yeah, it's gonna be fire and something different at that. So now that the lace is melted, honey, I'm just going to cut the excess off. And wherever there is like white or glue still, I'm just gonna spray some even on there and tie my hair back down with the melting band. If there's still any spots left, then just be sure just to, spray it a little bit and place it where it goes, and then get the blow dryer or your melting band. I would say put your melting band on for way longer than I did, 30 minutes to an hour, and your lace will be in place. And right here, I'm just taking some alcohol with a rag and just cleaning up the hairline. And then I'm taking some makeup. I didn't have my color match, so it was kind of lighter, but it still looked good. I'm doing a no baby hair look, so this is it, you guys. I could have hot combed the front a little bit more, but yeah, I'm just resting with my installs, but I'm back on my wig content now, so just get ready. They're coming, and each install I do, it'll get better and better.